As we look into tools that students can use, you can feel confident that we are showcasing tools that have been fully vetted to meet the student data privacy law. These have been approved for student use in our Learn platform and are data privacy compliant. Traditionally, students have used planners and other materials to track their school and daily tasks that they need to complete. With this can come the added stress of managing documents and to-do lists that can be lost in the shuffle. One remedy for students that we recommend is to get them using Google Keep to organize their thoughts and their to-do lists. With the simple layout of Google Keep, students can track their tasks, collaborate with others, and organize their dashboard in a way that makes the most sense to them. Students can take general notes as reminders and label them with titles. They can also set reminders, add collaborators, color code their Keep notes, add labels, drawings, or checkboxes. For example, on the left-hand side, students might want to label their various courses in order to keep relevant information on each. I can label out several content areas to start. If I'm a 9th grade student, I can add one for English 9 and biology. Then, when I create a note, I can label it with the class tag. If I want to create a to-do list of all the things I need to do for the day, I can do that as well. You can also add in images by uploading through your device or capturing through your smart device, iPhone, iPad, Android, etc. As I work with my notes, I can organize my dashboard using the menu on the side and the workspace. By learning about this tool, you can now encourage students to track their day and the tasks they need to complete by using Google Keep.